Hello, I'm John Fitzgerald, and from August 2017 I'll be the head of the School of Computing here at Newcastle University. This vlog is about our move to the new Urban Sciences building that the university has been constructing on the Science Central site in the middle of Newcastle, and is an interesting and very lively extension to the university campus. The School of Computing here at Newcastle is going to be moving there in August, and we're going to show you around parts of the building, taking some footage from a recent tour that a bunch of us had of the site as it's being developed. So we start on the ground floor of the building in what's going to be an event space for about 150 people, and then we move into the main central forum or atrium. This is probably where you'll come in each day and go up those stairs that you can see in front of you, or the lifts just behind them, to take you up to lecture rooms and laboratories on the floors that you can see ranging up through the atrium. It's going to be quite a good place in which to meet people, to chill out, to find a quiet corner to work. There'll be benches, trees, comfy furniture and so forth. So around you in the atrium is a bunch of laboratories where we're doing active research in areas like autonomous vehicles and new power grids, and you'll be able to see all of that going on. And now we've moved into the crucial space on the ground floor, the cafe, which during normal working hours will have a range of refreshments. Where you can see it boarded up there on the right, those are going to be doors that will allow you to sort of spill out onto the square in front of the building. We're now up on the first floor of the building, which is where you get the lecture theatre that you can see here, looking a bit blacked out, but that's been largely built out now with tiered seating and a huge projection wall along that front space. And now we've moved up a level to the school reception area, the sort of front of house as we call it, which is the main office where you'll be able to go and do any official university business that you need to do over the counter. So it's a sort of one-stop shop. It's also a space where there'll be representatives from the Student Union Society and other university organisations there from time to time whenever you need any help. And those guys you can see there are just walking through where the main reception desk is going to be. And now walking back out from that reception area, you get a view of this brilliant vaulted roof that they've put in just over that central forum space. I think it's looking great now, but the top of the roof is actually a sloping wildflower meadow. Just worth saying as we look around here that there are lots of T points like the one that you can see just there dotted around the building. And now we're up on one of the upper floors on the wing where most of the tutors' offices are going to be. Lots of little spaces where you can just find a nook or a cranny to get on with work, like those little balconies that look out over the forum space. When you get to the upper floors, there are lots of these interesting rooms, spaces for group work and so forth, and you get quite nice views out over that central atrium, as you can see here. This is the laboratory flat floor teaching space, which will be filled with desks that have machines built into them so they can double as either flat desks or regular teaching spaces, and then there's a range of seminar rooms. So there's a lot of different styles of teaching and learning in different sorts of spaces throughout the building, because that's really what we've learned from our current premises we really need. Okay, that's it. Thanks very much for joining us for this. Next time we'll take a look at how the building's been built out since the video you've just seen was taken. You'll get an idea about what the finishes are like inside, what the beginnings of the furniture are like, and what the sort of rather amazing space is going to be that you'll be joining us in September this year.